Okay, check this out. It says email marketing specialist, and that's exactly what we will talk about in this review video. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and this is my Buyerzilla review. Now, this is a piece of software that will build your buyers list, and trust me, I know everything about email marketing. This is what I do, this is what I study really hard, and when it comes to building an email list, you need to have a buyers list, because in a nutshell, it will make you 90% more income comparing to any other list, a freebie list, you know, a list that you're building with solo ads or any kind of traffic. Okay, so this is my Buyerzilla review demo and $2,997 bonus, and this piece of software essentially builds your buyers list for you in a super clever way. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen right now and we will jump into this Buyerzilla review. And this is the sales page. As you can see, it says they lie to you. Do you know where the real money is and how to get it? It's called buyer leads, and is the #1 secret online. Okay, so trust me, I've been building email lists for years now, for I think 8 years at this point. So, you know, I tried everything. I tried solo ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, you know, forum marketing back in the day, all the free traffic sources. And the real truth is, if you want to make money online and you want to make money fast, you need to have a buyers list, because a buyers list of 1,000 people will make you the same amount of money as a regular list of 10,000 people. Okay, and this is absolutely true. So it's much easier to build a small buyers list, but you know, because they are buyers, they will continue buying from you, than just having emails of people that want some freebies or they got some free PDF, etc. Okay, so this is something that will help you to build that buyers list. Okay, so scrolling down here, obviously, you know, these guys talk about, you know, using YouTube and Google and all these different sources, but as you can see, they have a screenshot right here saying that a buyers list can actually make you up to $1,000 per day, and this is not uncommon even with super small lists. Okay, so scrolling down here, as you can see, Buyerzilla, that's the name of this new product, and I'm going to show you exactly what you're getting inside. Essentially, this is a cloud-based software. You're getting 5 done for you premium funnels that will build you that buyers list. You're going to be getting free traffic, and obviously step-by-step video training is included. They have a little demo right here. I'm going to have the same demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, so you can check it out. Okay, 3 simple steps. They get some bonuses. Obviously, these guys will have a 30 days money-back guarantee, and we will talk about pricing in a second. So check it out in your own time, and right now let me show you the inside of the members area. This is how it looks like. Okay, so the idea is super simple. You're getting 5 done for you funnels, and the cool thing is that because you have access to these funnels, you can actually sell these products for $1, which is the easiest way to actually get a sale. You know, it's harder to sell something for $10 or $15 or $20 or $50, obviously. And actually, these products that you're going to be selling are currently selling for $13 to $20. So you are offering a big discount to the people that you're promoting to. Okay, so we have a welcome video right here. We can create a campaign. We have video training. So first of all, let me show you all the campaigns and how it looks like. Okay, so you click on campaigns and you can manage your campaigns or create a new one. So let's click on manage campaigns, and as you can see, we have already done for you campaigns right here. So we have the Fuego Breakout, $0 to $100 a day, Fuego Multiplier, Secret Weapon, and the Lost Cause. So these are 5 WSO of the Day awarded courses. They've been proven to convert, and again, they are actually selling for $13 to $20 each, and you will be able to sell it for $1. That's how you build your email list. And what you're getting is a pre-sale page and a sales page, and also a members area to all of these funnels. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the squeeze page. This is the pre-sale page, excuse me, that you will be promoting. Okay, so as you can see, it says discover how to turn $1 into $5,000 with the lost code. People click here and then they go to the sales page. Okay, this is how the sales page looks like, and obviously this is just for one product. You're getting a total of 5, and then this is the access link. As you can see, it says click here to access. So this is what you're getting. So I just showed you these free pages for one product, you're getting a total of 5. And again, the idea behind it is that you are selling a course that sells for $13 to $20 for $1, so you're giving a massive discount, and you're building your list at the same time. Now, why is this better comparing to just promoting an affiliate product, going to Warrior Plus, getting your link, and promoting a product? First of all, you can't give a discount if you just promote products as an affiliate. You have to sell it for $13, which is much more complicated, and you're not building your email list, because obviously if you're promoting an affiliate product for someone else, the vendor gets the email, you're not getting any email. So you already need to have an email list or some kind of a traffic source. Okay, so all the leads that will be buying all these products will be actually added to your autoresponder. Okay, so that's the cool thing about it. And again, you can sell it for $1 instead of $13 to $20. Okay, then we have instant traffic here as well. So as you can see, we're going to select the campaign. So we're going to select one of these campaigns, and then you can instantly share it on all of these social media platforms. Okay, so all of these are for free, so obviously the more you share, the better, and you can use any traffic source obviously to send to your funnels. And I'm actually giving you some pretty cool traffic sources as a bonus as well. Okay, so my bonus will make this thing just so much better. We have Reddit, we have Twitter, we have Blogger, we have Facebook, we have all of these different social media sites that you can get instant traffic from, and obviously for free. Okay, then you can upgrade to Pro. We will talk about upgrades in a second, but let me show you the video training as well. This is how it looks like. So we have the overview, we have the tools, we have creating your $1 funnel, getting approved when it comes to your offer, the welcome video, email follow-up sequence for your buyers, traffic high quality solo ads, we have traffic finding solo ad sellers, traffic buying traffic from Udemy, traffic method number 2, traffic getting free traffic fast. So as you can see, a part of using these done for you funnels, you can actually add your own funnels to it as well, and obviously all the video training on how to do it is included. So you can just use the done for you funnels, or if you have your own products, you can use them as well. And as you can see, all the traffic training is included as well. So both free traffic and paid traffic, so a complete package. This is how it looks like, and this is what you're getting inside the product. Now let me show you all of the upsells, and let's talk about pricing. So as you can see, the main product will be $19.97, and everything I just showed you will be included for $19.97. Keep in mind, $19.97 is the early bird price. Okay, so after the initial launch period, the price will be going up, and all the video training, the 5 funnels, the whole software, the whole app is what is included. Now then we have upgrade number 1, and it will be $67, and as you can see, this will be the Pro version. So the main version is limited to 5 funnels per user. The Pro version gives you unlimited funnels. So if you want to take massive action, this will be $67, but you'll be fine with the main product. You're getting the 5 funnels, and you can make money this way. Okay, upgrade number 2, we got Buyerzilla for upgrade number 2 for $97, and this will be done for you. So, and this upgrade, these guys will be giving you done for you traffic campaigns, copy and paste free traffic campaigns, done for you affiliate campaigns, and you can just load your autoresponder to promote done for you products to your list that you already built with the Buyerzilla app. Okay, so this will be $97. Buyerzilla upgrade number 3, we have $197, and this will be unlimited traffic. So essentially you can add your Google Pixel to the sales page for Buyerzilla and funnel the traffic out. So obviously you can promote Buyerzilla, one of your funnels, or anything else, and this is obviously paid traffic. But if you would want to create one of these sales pages that gets hundreds of thousands of visitors, you probably wouldn't be able to do it. So that's $197, and Buyerzilla upgrade number 4, the last one, $97, and this will be license rights, which means that you can sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. So not only the main product, all 5 products in the funnel. So me promoting this as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions on it. You can get 100% commissions, and obviously once you already have your buyers list, you can promote anything, and it's better to get 100% commissions than 50% commissions. Okay, so these are all of the upsells. As you can see, Buyerzilla will be going live on March 24th at 11 a.m. Eastern, and 1997 is for the first 3 hours only. Okay, the price will be going up after. Now let me show you all of my bonuses, and before, let me just mention that as always I have a full written review, and this will include this funnel breakdown, it will include my bonuses. And if you will pick up Buyerzilla through my link, all you have to do is to click on one of these blue links from my blog. If you will pick it up from my link, you're gonna get all of my bonuses. Or if you're watching on YouTube, click on the first link in the description to go directly to the sales page, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. Okay, so again, 11 a.m. Eastern on March 24th is when Buyerzilla goes live. First of all, I'm going to give you 3 custom-made bonuses, and these are 3 different ways you can generate traffic. Okay, so these are custom-made bonuses for Buyerzilla. Obviously, the more traffic you can send to your funnels, the better, the bigger your buyers list will be. Then I'm going to give you a reseller's license to 3 of my own products, so you're getting 100% commissions on all of it. Okay, so again, you're already going to have the traffic from your buyers list. You can send it somewhere, you know, obviously you can promote affiliate products for 50% or these 3 products for 100% commission. So that's resellers licenses to Instabit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. I'm also going to give you a massive done for you package with done for you campaigns, done for you funnels, and much more. I'm also going to give you my own course on building a buyers list called Buyers List Ninja. It's not available for sale any longer, so you cannot even buy it if you wanted to. You're getting it for free as well. A case study on free traffic, tube traffic avalanche, commission blueprint, launch jacking made easy, Instagram marketing made simple and profitable, 10K commissions, 10K a month online. These are all doubles of the day awarded products, and you're getting a total of 20 additional plugins and software. So you're getting Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Social Tracker, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, Facebook Photo Contest, Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and shortcode Call to Action. But I'm not done, because you're getting my mega bonus as well. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and Product of the Day awarded courses, which means that you're getting a total of $2,997 worth of bonuses. And as you see, these are all software, W's of the Day awarded products, and custom made bonuses. You cannot buy these anywhere. These are not PLR. These are high quality bonuses that are actually selling. So this is the real world value and not some invented number. Okay, so guys, again, as always, I have a full written review right here. Check it all out, and let's sum up this Buyerzilla review. And as you can see, what I like about this product is that this is the easiest and the most proven way to create high profitable buyers lists. So these products are already being sold. They sold thousands of copies, and they are proven to convert. Okay, you're getting done for your products, sales pages, and automated funnels. So no content creation, outsourcing, or tech skills. 100% free traffic on demand with the social media integration that you just saw. Premium hosting included, so you don't need a website for this. All of this is hosted for you, and no more waiting. Results in as little as 24 hours. And trust me, I've actually tested building a buyers list this way, so with $1 products, and it works like magic. And the cool thing is that if you're gonna build your own funnels, you can have the $1 product, and then you can have upsell for $27, $37, $67, $97, and people actually buy these after buying this $1 product. So you can make hundreds of dollars on the back end. So you actually make money a part of building your buyers list. Now, what I don't like about Buyerzilla, you have to use these ready-made products. Obviously, you can build your own, but you're gonna have to spend some time on it. So this is a plus, but this can be a minus as well, because you are not building your brand. So obviously you can use Buyerzilla to build your own products, but it will take a little bit of knowledge, not much. And the cool thing is that the training on how to do it is included. So You know, another thing is that you're not creating the skills you might need down the road when it comes to, you know, creating pages, creating funnels and all of that. But the cool thing is that you can actually see how it's set up and then apply it to your own funnels down the road as well. So, you know, these are the things I don't like, but they're not really all that bad if you are, you know, a total newbie, if you don't know where to start, because you can actually learn from all of these things. So this is my Buyerzilla review. Again, check out all my written blog right here. This will include all of these bonuses. And before you go, let me show you how to claim your bonus after you'll decide to pick it up. Buyerzilla from my link, and again, just click on one of these blue links or the first link in the description from YouTube to do so. After you will pick it up, just go to your purchase history on warriorplus. Go click on your icon right here on the top right corner, go to your purchase history, and then find Buyerzilla amongst your purchases. After clicking on it, you should see a green button saying access your purchase, and another button saying bonuses from art below that. So that's how you claim my bonus. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. This is all automatically delivered to you. And again, guys, Buyerzilla will be going live on March the 24th at 11 a.m. Eastern. Make sure to pick it up from my link, because my bonus is definitely one of the biggest out there. You're getting the custom bonuses, you know, everything about traffic, additional software, additional Dollars of the Day awarded courses. So everything you need to make money with this is included. So guys, that was my Buyerzilla review. Give it a thumbs up on YouTube, subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one, and leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao.